Come test drive the 2020 Continental. The Continental is synonymous with the flagship of the Lincoln brand. Lincoln Continental delivers comfort and technology in a stylish, full-size package. Packaged with technology, computer electronics are applied to nearly every facet of the driving experience. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, electronic parking brake, electronic stability control, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, alloy wheels. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.